To loot mutant corpses in Stalker 2, first you'll need to download a mod from nexusmods.com called Mutant Loot, made by Absolute Chad Somber X, and you can find the files right here. Just go for the manual download for the language package your game is currently running. For English, you can go for this one. Select manual download and then start the slow download, or if you have subscription, go for the fast download. And when you have those files downloaded, you can open them. Then there's a few different files inside of it. You can open it with WinRAR, or for the Windows, I just opened it with the default zip unlocker. So now when we have that, we need to open the path for our game. And on Steam, it's quite simple. You can right click onto the game, go to properties and navigate to installed files. Then select Stalker 2 and then go for content and packs right here. Now you need to create a folder called this wiggly thing mods if you don't have it. And it should look like this. Open this folder and then put all of the files from here into that folder. I've already done it, so I am just replacing the files. And now the mod should be installed. You can launch your game to loot mutant corpses, as you can see right here. If you're playing on a Game Pass, then you can find the path for this mod folder right here. And that is basically everything. It would be really cool if you could subscribe, as I'm trying to reach 100 subs by the end of the year. So thank you for watching and bye.